is mainly used for coarse crushing. Shredder is actually a kind of crushing machine used for fine shredding. It is generally used to process unprocessed raw materials or leftovers to make the size smaller. A typical example is to shred plastic or rubber scraps and use them as raw materials to melt them and then pellet them to make plastic bottles, tires or trash cans. Shredders are used in the plastic recycling industry and are often used for the crushing of waste, large caliber PE plastic pipes, bundles of plastic films, large stacks of plastic sheets, and head materials. During the crushing process, the claws on the rotor drag the material into the crushing cavity. The blades adopt a mutually staggered and occluded layout so that the material can be cut and broken in the horizontal and vertical directions at the same time. After the material is broken, it is intercepted and peeled off by the partition and finally discharged downward. The main working part of the double shaft shredder is a pair of relatively rotating rollers, and the rollers are equipped with spirally arranged gears. After the material enters the machine, it is split and shredded to a size lower than the set size after being bitten and pulled by the teeth made of staggered rotating high hardness and wear-resistant materials, and then forced out of the machine. The roller is driven by a motor through a reducer and has a large torque. When encountering a difficult-to-break object, it will automatically reverse under the action of the PLC automatic control system and rotate forward and backward many times until the material is shredded and discharged. During the production of the double shaft shredder, uniform cutting should be maintained to ensure the crushing quality and normal production. At the same time, it is strictly prohibited to overload the motor to ensure the normal operation of the machine. In addition to frequently checking the tightness and looseness of each part of the shredder, you should also pay attention to checking the wear of the vulnerable parts. If the wear is serious, replace it in time to avoid damage to the main components, and take necessary repair precautions.